welcome to Savor the Southwest. Now, today is a little bit of a catch-up day. That's why there's like everything out here. And I'm going to start by telling you, we are going to, well, let's see, behind me, there's the pressure cooker waiting to be filled with some beef stock. And basically when we make up beef, we save the juice back, and when we've got, I've got 6-8 quarts here, we can it up. And then basically I have a quart of beef consomme here to use for cooking, whatever, but it's canned, it's sealed, it's shelf stable. This takes up freezer space, and what do you do if your freezer fails? So this is why I can, okay? Now the beef, when you cook it, there will be fat on top, and we take that fat and we save that up as well, and we render it. And you can rendered beef fat and then use it for cooking, or wherever you would use any other oil, unless you're vegan, in which case you really wouldn't be doing beef stock at all. The other thing, I'm not going to do it today, but the other thing that goes into the freezer for later processing is prickly pear juice. Mostly because if you try to freeze the harvest of prickly pear fruit, it'd take up the whole freezer. So I process it down to juice, and then when I have time later on in the winter when I want to warm the house, that's when I'm going to make my prickly pear jelly and syrups and things. Okay, it's ketchup day. There's ketchup. You know, usually I have that door closed, but that's my pantry back there. And in that pantry, yes, I have ketchup, but I also have a number of these jars of watermelon pickle. And I did the start of watermelon pickle a while ago, but I didn't finish the video because one of the things with watermelon pickle, like many other pickles, is then you got to put them on the shelf and wait for about 6 weeks for the flavor to fully develop. Now this has been more like about 6 months, so we're going to test that and finish that video up and put that up on the YouTube. So we've got that to do. Here's another thing we did, which was lemon salt, and we're going to finish up that video. But best of all, we foraged these wonderful Washingtonia fruits. And I'm going to show you what to do with Washingtonia fruits, foraged fruits. So there's a little bit of everything going on in the kitchen today. And basically, keep checking back on YouTube because you never know what we're going to have. Thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest.